Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Garima Bhandari, and in today's video we're going to see that how I slay my highlighter look from morning to night. What is that secret tip that your highlighter can be seen from the space? Yes, I like to apply so much highlighter. And what are my tips and tricks? What are the do's and don'ts of applying highlighter? We're going to cover in this video. So let's straight away jump into the video. But before I start the video, I request you all to subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe icon below. Also leave your comments in the comment section below if you're liking my videos. And let's get started. So as you can see, I've done my complete makeup. I've even applied the lip color. All I have to do is just apply some blusher and show you the highlighter points. So let's get started with the blusher first. I'm gonna take this blusher brush and my favorite NYX Ombre blush. See how pretty this color is. I'm just gonna take very little because it's highly pigmented. Just blow off the extra. And I'm gonna give myself a good smile, and on the apple of my cheeks I'm gonna apply just a tint of this blush. The most important tools for applying highlighter are these two brushes. I mean, this could be any of the flat brushes or something that is lying extra with you, but this fan brush is just simply my favorite. It is flat base from both the sides, looks like a fan. And this one I have here is from the brush range from Morphe. And when it comes to highlighter, I don't know why I'm super obsessed. I've tried many highlighters, but I can't seem to get over this particular highlighter by Mary Lou Manizer. And that's how it looks from the inside. It's a mix of champagne, gold, something like that, but I think it's a perfect highlighter. It goes well for the face and also for the entire body. Yes, you heard me right. I like to sometimes highlight my entire body, guys. And I have a super tip and trick for you that I use for applying my highlighter is this makeup fixing spray. Now this is very essential. You can use the Urban Decay makeup finishing spray. Right now I have with me is this NYX matte finish matte long lasting spray. It's really excellent, guys. You must give it a try. It locks your makeup for almost 12 hours in place. So if I've done this makeup right now, this setting spray is going to make sure that this makeup lasts me for more than 12 hours. No kidding here. So what I do is I put this product little away from my face like so and little above, and I shut my eyes. Make sure you shut your eyes. You don't want the product to go inside your eyes. And after you've immediately sprayed, just take your fan brush, your highlighter, just take the product and go on the apple of your cheeks, the highest part of your cheekbones. That's the area where I like to highlight. And you can see, wow, this product has so much highlight, like no kidding. The other side, and I like to do this process like really quick till the time the setting spray is still on my face, because that's going to lock this product on my face. The tip of my nose, guys, that's where the light directly falls on your face, and highlight points are the points where the light falls directly on your face. My chin, and just go over and above my eyebrows, also on the brow bone, little bit, just a little bit. And my favorite spot on my face where I like to go and use my fingertips is the inner corner of my eye. So I just put my finger in my inner corner of my eye. Lastly, I'm also going to take the fan brush and then highlight my collarbones. Shrug your shoulders like this, you're gonna see your collarbones. I can't see it any other way. So shrug your shoulders, you see your collarbones, highlight them. Just take some more of the product, highlight the topmost part of your shoulders, and if you like, you can go on your hands, just a bit of dust, both the hands. And this is what I do for my legs also. As I said, I like to highlight my whole body. Sometimes I just use the liquid highlighter into my body lotion and apply it all over my body. So it's excellent. So I'm done for this video, and I think by now you would know that how to highlight and what are the right spots to highlight to slay your makeup look. And if you like this video, give it some love guys, share it with your family, share it with your friends, and I love you guys. Keep watching my videos and stay tuned. Bye.